Hello, this is Stephen Cook with Cook Saw Manufacturing, mid-January 2023. And we're doing a special right now while I'm doing the video, particularly today, through the end of the month on bandsaw blades. We're giving 20% off, a good discount on that if you buy 10 or more blades. If you buy 36, about 3 boxes basically for us, we'll do free shipping as well. We're going to try to do these discounts and specials, try to do a little different thing from month to month, and maybe even every couple of weeks from time to time. Wanted to mention we've been doing very well. We've been blessed. We've been building a lot of sawmills and continue to build sawmills, so we want to invite you to give us a call if you're needing a sawmill. And also on the bandsaw blades, we have the ability to do special things for you. If you buy a lot of blades, 100 or more blades maybe at the time, if you have special needs, special hook angle, different things, if you'll call our salespeople. We also invite you to give us a call. Doesn't matter if you have our sawmill or not. We've been in the sawmill business really since I've been a boy, well over 40 years, and I even started when I was about 10 years old repairing blades. Me and my brother did. And between just a handful of us here at Cook Saw, we probably have 150 years of experience with all this. We'll try to help you out every way we can. That's what we want to do, is to help you make more money and have a win-win situation for everyone. I also want to mention a special that we have going, and we will have really from month to month. We have some blades we call U-sharp blades. So if you have your own sharpener, I know many of you do, and don't mind touching up a blade, we have some really good specials on those blades. Sometimes these are just the beginning of a coil as we make blades, or at the ending of it, and as we're getting started. So we'll have a few blades, maybe a few thousand feet that we make into blades that well, you might enjoy doing that. I know we always like to get a special when we can, save some money, and might enjoy sharpening those blades in the way that you want them anyway. We really appreciate you working with us and giving us a call, and we'll be glad to help you any way we can.